In our digital age, your identity is more than a name. It's the passport to everything online. But what if you don't have one? I am Abdurrahman Al Gammal, the CEO of Gammal Tech. Right now, millions of people lack any form of legal or digital ID, shutting them out of banking, healthcare, even basic online services. Imagine the talent and ideas we lose when brilliant minds can't connect. Secure digital identities, biometrics, blockchain solutions can change this, giving each person a recognized place in the global community. It's about more than access, it's about dignity. My challenge to you: support initiatives that provide digital IDs where they are needed the most. If we make identity universal and secure, we unlock opportunity for everyone. So tell me, what would you do if everyone around the world had a secure digital identity?